Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly. If you are new here, and I suspect the vast majority of you are new here, please be advised, my channel tends to be predominantly like beauty and makeup and that kind of space. However, some of my most popular videos are on unboxings from this one particular brand. So if you're here because of this brand, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you guys stopping by. You're under no obligation to stay. You're here for just information. I picked up a new Polene bag. Polene, what you say? What is that? What is that? It is this French brand, PoleneParis.com, I think, is the name of the website. They come boxed beautifully. I have not used this yet. This will be my 4th Polene bag. My husband surprised me with this recently, and I wasn't expecting it. I had no idea it was coming in, and he's like, hey, by the way, I'm tracking something that's coming from Spain, and it's going through Germany, and eventually it'll be here. And I was like, what are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about. Polene. Polene Paris is the name of the brand. If you are minimalist, if you guys are into quiet luxury, if you want, I don't know, just luxurious brands but without the logos all over it, the one that flies a little bit under the radar, you know, like that tasteful, elegant, classy, French je ne sais quoi, if you like that, this is the brand for you. I'm telling you right now. Price point, not much higher than, I mean, right kind of in the same ballpark as, say, Coach or Kate Spade or any of those, Michael Kors maybe, especially if you're, you know, shopping from a discount store. Anyway, I love the boxes. This one happens to be Numero 10, which is 10 en français, Polene Paris. They all come with a little card. Follow them on social media, on Instagram and everything else. I am not sponsored, affiliated, endorsed. They know nothing about me doing this video. I didn't get it gifted to me. Purchased it with my own money. In fact, the only time I've ever been gifted anything from them is when I selected like slow shipping during COVID, I think for my 3rd bag, and they sent me a little gift with purchase. That's it. Otherwise, I pay for all this. Actually, my husband bought me this gift. Yay, me. Anyway, this actually has a little instruction card, which I don't recall seeing these in the previous ones, but they show you kind of, see if it'll focus here, they show you different ways that you can wear the bag. So you've got, you know, obviously your longer straps if you want to do a crossbody or a low shoulder. You can shorten up the straps a little bit. They got instructions on how to shorten it up. And then on the back, this is what kind of made me more excited, because this is almost like getting 4 bags in one. You can actually shorten up that shoulder strap to be a very, very short over the shoulder bag, kind of like tucked in underneath your arm, or even as a crossbody that's up a little bit higher at your waist. I love the fact that you can do a short strap or a long strap. They actually give you an extra strap in here specifically for that purpose, so yay for that. They all come with these beautiful Polene dust bags. This is like a felt. I want to call this like a canvas felt almost. It almost feels a little canvasy on the inside, but super soft, and this gorgeous dust bag, you know, not embroidered, but stamped Polene on it, and, you know, drawstring. It is so soft. This is great for not only keeping your bag dust free, but if you had to polish something too, you can use that. Okay, so you open it, and it comes with the tissue paper on it. You open it up, you've got the dust bag in there, and then I've got the short strap handy. This will give you a little peek on the color that my husband chose for me. That all comes bubble wrapped. It's very well protected. I've already taken that out because I was so excited to see the bag. This is the bag. That's the back side. That's the front side. How do you know the difference? Well, one of them in little tiny print is stamped Polene. Little tiny print. Talk about the most understated, elegant, classy, can I go on and on, wax poetic about how beautiful this bag is. This is not necessarily a supple lambskin, but you can tell it's a nice quality leather. It does have this interesting detail up here, both on the front and the back, this extra stitching, which gives you a little bit more room in the body, but also gives it kind of a little interest, visual interest of like a crescent moon type shape, which was a big popular style here in the last few years. I don't think that's going away, especially when you can get a bag that has enough room in it to be able to store your essentials, right? If you are on a micro bag kick, this is not it. It's, however, not as big as the Numero 1, the original ones, the big ginormous ones. It's more like a suitcase. This isn't that big either. This is like the perfect, understated, elegant bag size. Here's the thing with the shade too. I'm sorry, my nails hurt. I should have done my nails before I started this video. This particular shade is your all year round, go anywhere, wear with anything type of shade. This, I didn't even ask for this shade. My husband picked this out. He just knew how much I like grayish. I mean, really, this is seasonless. They have a bunch of colors, you guys. Don't take my word for it. Go to the website itself. And so I'm opening it up. This one happens to have gold hardware on it. We're taking out the stuffing on the inside. That's the inside. Let's move the tag out of the way. That's the inside of the bag. Light enough, roomy enough to be able to see what's in there. Super nice. There is a security envelope right here, little sleeve slip pocket in here, and that's it. Which is like the perfect size to throw in your credit card or your ID and keep it out of the way if you don't have a separate coin purse or something to put into it. They do have nice small leather goods too. Just check out what they have. They have some really beautiful items in there. I'm taking this off because I'm actually going to carry this today. Gonna wear this bag today. So this is the original strap. I did not make any changes to it. And at its current configuration, it's hitting me right at the waist. I know I can strap it, elongate the strap. It is so beautifully tucked in here though. Don't you hate it when you've got straps or belts that just kind of flop everywhere and you're like, what do I do with it? They have a nice little slip to put that in so that it doesn't have to be, I don't know, hanging out and doing whatever. And then you can see easily how you can move these up. Wow, this is such beautiful craftsmanship. The stitching on it too, they've done a very good job of matching at the color of the stitching to the color of the leather. Let's see what we can throw in here. I happen to have my cell phone, which is like a Samsung Galaxy 21 or something like that. Let's put that in here. And there's so much room. Okay, so I've got a little compact mirror in here. You know what? For fun, let's throw in my passport since this is a French company. I've got a little Clinique Black Honey. You know, I'm just saying, I'm just loading all this stuff up in here. I don't know where my wallet is. It's probably in the other room. But this has so much more room. I could probably put even like a small makeup kit in here. Holy smokes, what a beautiful, beautiful bag. Faint little leather smell to it. You guys, this is one of those brands that if you know, you know. Like you go somewhere, if you're a traveler and you go somewhere, you see women wearing and carrying these bags and you go, where did you get that? How do I get that? How do I be like her? Because they're always so classy and so put together. And that's what I want to be. I fail miserably most of the time, but I so badly want to be the lifestyle that they project, the understated elegance, you know? I'm just so excited about this. You guys, I was in a, no, not kidding. I was in a Prada store, like a legit Prada store, and the clerk there said, that's a beautiful bag. What's that? Where is that? And it was one of my Polene bags. So they're eye-catching, but in a, like, you know, this is not a cheap brand. You look at this and you go, wow, she's got style and she's got class, and I can't believe my husband bought me this bag. Okay, you guys, I know that this is not a super long video, but I wanted you guys to see an unboxing of this particular brand because I wanted you to know, and of course I didn't unbox all the bubble wrap from it because it just makes too much noise on the camera. But I did want you guys to see my latest collection here. This is my new favorite by far. Did I just get lipstick on it? No. This is by far my new favorite bag. I'm so excited. It is the perfect size. I'm excited. Sleek, simple, minimalist, elegant taupe. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you guys consider sticking around. Everything, it's all ready to be protected. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna do one of the fancy pictures that I've done before where I kind of staged it all. I do hope you guys enjoy this kind of video and the unboxing and stuff like that. Consider checking out the brand. Again, I don't get anything in PR. They don't know that I'm doing this. So don't feel like you're under any obligation to me or that I'm promoting them just because I'm getting something in return. I'm not getting anything in return. I literally just love this brand. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.